Chubby drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I lied. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, I'm around, man.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go for a little late night drive tonight, and hopefully we enjoy the night, man. Everybody's safe tonight and everything. Damn, good guys, car show got me burned. Woo! Come on, we're on the way. Man, I'm taking her out. It's gonna be my last week of driving her so crazy. Let's go enjoy the night, y'all. Come on. Got a bunch of car meat. Hey, that's a chopper, huh? Oh, he got the light on. God, he got the light on. The bird on us. They brought out the helicopter for a cruise. That's a chopper, huh? Get that on video, bro. Just cruising, man. We're not doing nothing. Damn, her glass fucked up. Y'all see that? Her shit cracked. Yeah, we out of here, though. Before they think we a sideshow. I ain't going fast. I'm going 60 the whole way. This helicopter gonna follow us the whole way. He ain't got nothing but time. So I ain't got nothing but gas. So we going slow. Look at that guy. Get a load of that guy. He gonna get the chopper. Watch the lights gonna hit the.
What I told you.
And the police gonna be on him.
Chopper.
What's that right there? Oh, I thought that was police. It was gonna be a wrap right now.
Oh, they gonna run him. Yeah. Idiots.
Where you at now?
I'm passing, I just passed Washington.
Shit, yeah, I just passed Washington a couple miles ago. These niggas are racing.
Oh.
I don't know, some Infinities. Oh, the light, you see the Y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. Man, we just got here. Don't have everybody just park everywhere. Hell of us. Woo. Man, like I just said, man, look at that line, bro. Look at that line. We still got all these cars that came in already. This is just a cruise. Put it in like 3 hours. We got all types of shit out here. Tricogs and Chevy SS's. NorCal Racing right there, huh? Just pulled up to the second location. We actually talked to the police, and the police let us park actually somewhere pretty cool. Man, as long as we get to chill, that's all I care about, man. Talking about the police. As y'all can see, thing is packed. All the way down, man. We found a little dope parking spot next to the water. Dope. Couple dope cars. Yeah. What's going on, everybody, man? We leaving the city right now. We hella deep. The police out here is not messing with us, but man, they gotta do their job. But we out of here. We super deep back there. Come on, we're gonna hit the freeway. They got every single exit blocked off because they think we doing a sideshow. So there's one cop right there. Wait, give it a second. We're gonna fast forward this, and we're gonna go to the next exit. Remember, the exits, bro. Every exit's probably blocked off all the way to Oakland. They think we a sideshow, bro. Bro, we at the other exit now. We at the other man, I don't want to cut. We at the other exit. There's another cop right here. Bro, if I started recording earlier, there was about like 5 other cops at 5 other exits. Let's see if there's another cop at the other exit. I'm pretty sure they just hide. Damn, there's 2. Bro, like, they have... Damn, look down there. You can already see it. We're going to fast forward this thing again, man. Man, at this exit, too. Another cop. All the way down from damn near downtown Oakland all the way down here. Just because they think we a sideshow. That is... It's crazy. We just cruising. We can't enjoy the night. What's going on, everybody? It's the end of the vlog. We are just getting home. Big thank you to everybody if you guys watched the whole vlog, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know how you guys feel about the video, and yeah, thank you guys.